Hey, Rose.
Hey,
Look what I got.
what is it?
It's a 2-in-1 educational game. Our friends at the toy company gave it to us. Do you want to open it up?
Sure.
All right. I'll come sit down here with you.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's see what it says here. It says for ages 3 and up, 2-in-1 educational game. It says the contents are a matching tray, 10 letter cubes, 5 mathematical symbol blocks, a playing guide, 32 cards, and 20 number blocks. Pretty cool. Let's see. Does it say the company it came from? Yehtta. This came from Yehtta. It's Yehtta matching letter game. Pre-alphabet flashcards gift for kids. And of course, we'll leave a link to the product in the description, right? Okay, so let's take a look here on the back of the box. It says, skills your child will practice is object and word recognition, letter recognition and letter matching, spelling, sorting and grouping, concentration and memory, arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Taking turns and sharing. And look, you can even use your phone to set your own questions. That's pretty cool. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Okay, I've got it open, Rose. Here. Oh, there we go. Let's see what else is in here. Here's the instructions. Here's our letter blocks. Here's our cards.
No.
Here's...
No batteries.
Nope, doesn't need batteries. Okay, is that okay? So here's everything. Here's our other letter blocks. There's our cards. So look, it's got the picture of what we spell, how to spell it, and then over here it's adding. See, 1 + 4 = 5. Pretty cool. So let me open up the bags, Rose. So what do you want to do, Rose? Do you want to spell something or do you want to do some math?
Math.
You want to do some math? Okay. So let's go ahead and let's open these cards. Okay, so you got the numbers out there, Rose. Good job. Okay, so you have a plus sign. So we're going to put the plus sign right here because we're going to add something. Here, I'll go ahead and I'll grab this right here. So we'll go ahead and put this in here. And if you see, it covers the answers. So now, Rose, you put that. Okay, and now let's see if we can let's bring these over here so we can see them. Now we need to find the equals. Oh, I found it, Rose. There it is. Okay, put it right here. Perfect. So now look, we have 1 froggy. So see, grab the 1. There's a 1. And put it here. Perfect. Okay. So we have 1 froggy plus how many froggies?
4.
Exactly. So go ahead and grab the 4 right there. And put it right there. Yup, right there. Good job. Okay, so 1 + 4 = how many froggies altogether? 1, 2, 3,
4, 5.
Yeah, 5. So find the 5. Which one's 5? Yeah, perfect. And put that right there. All right, so 1 + 4 =
5.
Good job! High five, Rose. Boom! So what do you think about this game, Rose? Is this pretty good? We can do spelling and we can do plus and minus and stuff. Our mathematics.
I like it.
You like it? Cool. So you give this a Rose's thumbs up? Nice. All right, so we will definitely leave a link to this 2-in-1 educational game. You can find it on Amazon. It gets Rose's thumbs up. Yes.
You want to play this?
Sure, go ahead and put it in.
Okay.
All right. So what is that?
A teacup.
So with that, guys, this gets Rose's thumbs up, her seal of approval. So with that, guys, we'll see you next time. Bye for now. Say bye for now, Rose.
Bye.